I'm gonna beat everyone. I am freaking beating everyone. I'm not lying. Okay. Buddy. Bro, I'm not playing a game. But he thought I was playing a game, but I wasn't. I'm not. Oh my gosh. The heck was that? Man. Is someone making noise? Sorry, guys. I was just saying something. Someone was screaming, that? But there wasn't more echo than me. What do you think? Bro, no. Hurry. Hey, guys, sorry, but okay. What the frick? I was 999,000. See that, guys? No. Wait a second. Wait. So I got 150 if I bet that, which 400. Okay. I hear them again, though. What the freak are they saying? What the freak is that yellow thing? Is there really an owl on the tree? I'm not lying. So I got 6 million. You guys see that right here. 6 million. 6 million. So that I got 1 lap now, right here. No, I got now 1 lap. Okay, this does more. I'm not lying. Wait, can I open the egg, guys? Sorry, but I have to. This is it. Let me. Cause I see what I got. I'm so excited. Where is it? Frick that. I don't like it. What do you think I like it, but I don't like that. Hey guys, I'm not playing this. I'm playing. Sorry. Need a friend. On my I love Roblox account. Buddy, I got like a lot. I got like 100. Like I got 10 trillion power. Yeah, I got like World 7, 8. 8. World 8. I played this before. Wait, did I? Yeah. Wait, did I? Wait. Yeah. Let me do it. Yeah, I did. I played. Easy one. Yeah, people is making a lot of videos with this. And they're making kind of fun videos. So, hold on, I messed it up there. Guys, I'm sorry, bro. Like, I messed up. I was trying to do but stop. Let me just do the easiest part. I went this like 10 times, like one day. Like 51 seconds already. But you suck. This is so easy. I got it. What the heck? Damn. Oh, this kind of hard. Yep, I thought it was hard, but it wasn't. Oh, guy, you suck. How? You are behind. Out. 10. You 10. I have no word. Thank you, I guess. No way. There's that thing right here. You gotta go through it, like Guys, you see that? See that one thing in swinging? That is the end. Just trust me, it is. What the? I was just bored. I was bored, so I make my house with my dog. I was fucking bored. I don't know why, but that was not funny, bro. Easy, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, I'm sorry. Bro, I don't like this. Hey, guys. Man, skip stage. Let me just skip a stage. No, not yet, because this is not hard. Oh no! Wow. Wait. I was 2 minutes behind it. Can you stop? How'd you even reach me? You didn't. I don't like you. I had to jump over it to get it. Hey, you can't do it. Man, how did you do it, bro? I want to be like you. I can't because you're lit. Okay, I still do. See how he is because Roblox for the kids. Oh, the kid made it. Bro. But he cannot even make it. He said, no! Timmy, little Timmy. Timmy, 6 at this game. Bro said I'm hacking. You can't hack in this game, buddy. My phone is at 10%. I maybe can't make a video that long, but bro. I was going fast. That was why. Jeez, that's why. I died. I have to go that way. But this thing. Buddy, you think this is hard? Buddy, bro. That part was too hard for me. Like when I was on. Bro, I didn't play 2022 in my old account, bro. That sucks. I need that back. Like 200 friends, I don't know, like 128 friends, I guess. I got my friend, cousin, my other cousin, and my brothers. Maybe I don't have that much friends. I don't know why, but yeah, it's fine. Of course, I died. You can just jump over it. Guys, it's so easy. Just comment. It's so easy. Dodge it. Bro, no, guys, that didn't count. That didn't freaking count. I freaking hate this stupid game. That was so annoying. I hate that game. I didn't even jump. Did 120? No, it did 100. You can't get the 100. If you're on 99, you can get a free level. Okay, I'm gonna go. This bike sucks like crazy. If I drive through here, I will fall in. Cry like a baby. And I was a baby. I don't know. I don't need to skip. When it's hard, I will. Oh, thank you. I need to skip this one. Skip. I'm just kidding. I'm skipping. That's Ashley. Just skip a stage. That will get you an easy level. Go faster, go faster. Bro, I know that. I already got that on my old account. I got robbed a lot. Like 1 million, like 15 million Robux on that account, but I miss it. I got 0 Robux on this. And I forgot the code. Bro, pray for me. I don't guess the code, bro. I don't like that. Guess the freaking code. I guess the code, please. Down in the comments. I'll say yes. You can take my account. I forgot the code, but if I know the code, I can get you the account. I don't want it. If I say give me my account back, you do it, okay? Going very fast. Break it! I freaking hate that, bro. Now I don't wanna. But thank you. Thank you! I don't like that. No. Like I don't like you. Like I didn't even jump. Wait, why did I not even jump? I don't know. There we go. There we go. Break this game. Teleport. Wait. I got the fly. Wait, where's the fly bag? Ow. Stupid bug. This. That was gone forever. Buddy. I should have skipped this stage. This is so hard, like impossible. Extremely. Hey, you go subscribe to me, everyone. Like, I'm trying to go. I forgot. 100. Yeah, 100. 100. But it go out. Why am I showing my voice? Because I just made a video. You already know you are. No one is on, but I don't. Oh! How did I not touch that? It's getting. That's bigger and that's tiny. Buddy, regret this. Timmy, I can just do that easy. But he thinks it's so hard. Oh, this is so hard to control. But he thinks that's. I'm playing another game. I've been playing this for 10 minutes. But he thinks I did not. Wait, what is that? I've been insane. If you want to do a face reveal, comments. Say face reveal in the comments. Hey guys, 7%. So guys, see you later. No, never mind. Hey, can this play this or Infinite? I'm just name it and kill this. Got the biggest. He said spaghetti. 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 What is that? What the frick? Did I just get hacked? I'm just kidding, I didn't. Bite was lost. 100 spaghetti. 100 spaghetti. Incoming rate. Just get me in the game. Get me in the game, bro. I just popped their bubble. I don't care. There. I got blonde hair, bro. What the heck? I'm just flying. Why are you, what the heck? Okay, I guess I can play with like this. I don't know why it's like that, but. Okay, now I'm a tsunami. I'm biggest. I'm going to water, but I can't. I got no heart, and I'm dead. I like just rolled. Ooh, yes. Ooh, no. 99K. Ooh, get 100K. Oh, 6,000. 6,000? You can easily suck that up when you're that tsunami. Like, oh yeah, 25,000. That makes sense, but it might be like realistic, you know. It's not, bro. Take this off. We don't need that. I got to save you. Push you back. Hey, let's go. I got someone. And I gotta watch out because there's some big people I don't need to. I can beat the 600 guy. But I have to just stay out and land. 200. I need to eat that. This. Okay, it's fine. I can eat the tractors. Ooh, no way, I'm beating that guy in 800. Let me just eat you in the 800 noob. I got a hat. But he thinks he's hiding really good, bro. Let me just eat the cars real quick. Then eat the big one. Buddy, what are you doing? Oh! No way. I'm almost at 1,000. That's your fault. Why were you just standing there? That's not your fault. Is that a ball? Okay. I'm just eating a house. I don't care. I'm just sucking it up. That's fine. Oh no! I gotta stay away from the 9K guy. Okay. You don't need me, bro. I'm just tiny. Back up. Get down. Get down. Yeah, you're trying to join me like football buddies. So, watch this. Oh, you're kind of fat. No. 85 gold. Oh, you did sprint. I see. 2,000. Oh, 200,000. 48K guy. Oh, no. I'm coming. Freak you. Size 50K. How do I? No. Bro, I hate this game. I just died. Oh, look at this. This is not even a thing. A tsunami. Oh, just let me get to. That guy sucks. He don't even play Fortnite because he sucks at Fortnite anyways. Not even a thing. He's fake. He's a fake person anyways. Oh, let's eat these. Can I even eat this? Nope. Of course I can't. Ooh, I can eat that. Ooh, I can eat anything. Ooh, I can sick up people now. Freak you! I don't like you, freak you. You suck at freaking playing this. Don't like. Eat me! 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 Eat me, bro! You can't. Okay. But he don't even want to beat me. Eat me! Eat me! Thank you. I just want him to get a lot of stuff. Bro, that's enough. Be a tornado. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh.